Hey, what's up Cardano holder? This video is very urgently I make for holder of Cardano. You know why? Because this is one big reason, and the reason is that Cardano holders sell Cardano coin. This is absolutely bad. This is absolutely very wrong. To you have sell it. This is not a selling time. So I explain this everything in this video. But before I get started this video, I request you to please subscribe ABS Tech channel. This is because subscribe is very important. You know why? If you get subscribe ABS Tech channel, then you have update. Then I will notify you every good news or bad news of all cryptocurrencies, not just Cardano, every cryptocurrencies. So let's get started this brand video. Don't forget to like video. Okay, just complete 100 likes. Thank you so much for like and subscribe. Okay guys, so this is the last 1 hour price prediction. You can see here, this is 1 minus 0.41% goes down. This is this last 1 hour result, not a day. I show you and 1 day result also, but this time you can see here, this is absolutely last 1 day result. You can see here the change is absolutely very bad, but if you can check it out here, the price change is 1.22 US dollar. This is absolutely gone up. You can see here, and the last 1 hour result is absolutely very bad, because this is one reason, because this is the start of this month. This is start of this month, therefore people are going to sell it. Then absolutely this is very bad if you are selling it. This is not a selling. I request you to please sell it at the end of month. Okay, at the end of month, if you are selling it at the end of month, then absolutely you are good. You can get a good profit. So this is absolutely good for you to sell it in the month of end. Okay, so thanks for watching guys. Don't sell it. Let's check it out the last 1 day result. I hope the last 1 day result has absolutely gone out good. So thanks for watching for this time. Please keep watching. Okay, so let's watch here. The change is absolutely gone up and absolutely very back change. You can see here absolutely 1.67% gone up in the last 24 hours. Absolutely this is good news for a holder of Cardano holder. I hope they cross easily in a few days just $2 US, but this time you can see here 1.24 US dollars the price of lattice. But if the end of March, the price is 1.17 US dollar, but they can change and 1.24 to 1.17 to 1.24. So this is absolutely good chance. So thanks for watching guys. For live price prediction, I updating you every hour, every good news or bad news, and I notify you to this is selling time or buying time. So don't forget to subscribe ABS Tech channel. Thanks for watching. Allah Hafiz. Take care.